React Router. Pass props to handle a component. I have the following structure for my React.js application using React Router. I want to pass some properties into the comments component. Normally I do this like comments myprop equals value. What's the easiest and right way to do so with React Router? It's possible to pass props directly via the root component, without using a wrapper. For example, by using render prop component. Usage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.